Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm in Aba again. If this is the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you are a returning viewer, I really appreciate you all for always making our time to watch my videos. In fact, special thanks, special love to all those that share my videos. So this is Aba-Owerri Road, and as you can see over there is a new bus stop constructed by the Abia state government. At least people now can stay under there while waiting for buses, taxis, keke, for easy movement. Over there, rent cannot even beat you because it has a roof, it has something covering the top. You understand? So when you're under there, sun no go touch you, red no go also touch you. So this is now Aba-Owerri Road for Aba. And like this now, I dey take on and go Port Harcourt Road for the same Abia State. In fact, the way Aba is today is different from the way Aba I saw the other time, the last time I came around. A lot of changes, a lot of construction going on around this road. So you will see for yourself. So kindly watch this video down to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section. Aba has wide roads, so people like say they even get wide roads past my here. I don't know now. Go tell me for comment section. Aba is becoming cleaner and cleaner by the day. The government of Abia State is making sure that Abia State, is getting cleaner and cleaner. Yes, so we see the Aba-Owerri Road, so you can see construction everywhere. Like I said, men at work. You can see it will not be open. What they call them again? No be open drainage, now closed drainage. Yes, so this is Eyimba City. Of course, you saw the football over there. Yes, so this is the Eyimba Eba-Obodo, Eyimba City. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Please watch down to the end. Help me click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. Click the notification bell above, so whenever I drop a new video, you'll be among the first people to watch the video. Please share this video also as you are watching it. Give me a thumbs up, and tell me places in Aba you love me to go to. Tell me places in Aba that construction are really going on. Kamgadia cover we post to work and doors on Kirikwa water. Just keep watching. This road you will see Rema University. This same road you will see Abia Polytechnic Aba. Yes, this road there is a university and a polytechnic in this same road. So just keep watching as I take you guys down up to Port Harcourt Road and the other side of Aba.